Absolutely. One important note before the script. As of August 2026, Toyota has confirmed the 2027 model year and a new hot honey color for the 4Runner TRD Pro. But Toyota's official 2027 4Runner page has not yet published a full new model specification sheet. So the script below treats the 2027 4Runner as the latest evolution of the current 6th generation model, using Toyota's published 2026 powertrain, technology and pricing data where relevant. Welcome to Noir Velocity, and today we're looking at an SUV that doesn't need to shout to get attention, but somehow still manages to look like it's ready to tear through a mountain before breakfast. This is the 2027 Toyota 4Runner, and if you thought the 4Runner was already tough, this latest evolution takes that attitude and turns the volume way up. Look at it. The design is unmistakably 4Runner, but the presence is seriously aggressive. The upright body, squared-off proportions, muscular wheel arches and high ground clearance give it that classic adventure SUV silhouette, while the sharp LED lighting, massive grille and rugged lower bumper make it look far more modern. And in glossy black, everything becomes even more dramatic. The dark paint highlights the body creases, black trim and chunky all-terrain tires, giving the 4Runner an almost stealthy appearance. This isn't an SUV designed to disappear in a parking lot. It looks built for trails, dirt roads and long-distance adventures, but it still has enough road presence to turn heads downtown. Toyota has also confirmed a new hot honey color for the 2027 TRD Pro, showing that the company is continuing to push the 4Runner's personality rather than making it boring or anonymous. But the real story starts underneath that aggressive body. The current 4Runner powertrain lineup gives us two very interesting directions. The standard I-Force setup uses a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing up to 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. But if you want the serious numbers, the I-Force Max Hybrid takes things to 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. And that torque is exactly what makes this SUV interesting. The 4Runner isn't trying to be a sports car. It's about strong low-end punch, confident passing power, and the ability to keep moving when the road disappears. Independent testing of the current I-Force Max has produced roughly 7.4 seconds from 0 to 60 mph, while gas versions have landed around the low to high 7-second range depending on configuration. So no, this isn't a screaming V8 SUV, and that's something enthusiasts will notice. The turbocharged four-cylinder has a different character, with the hybrid system adding instant electric torque. The result is more about a deep mechanical feel and strong acceleration than an exotic exhaust soundtrack. You hear the turbo, the engine working and the drivetrain doing its job, but the 4Runner's real soundtrack is the sound of tires finding traction on terrain where other SUVs start asking questions. And that brings us to the reason this vehicle exists: capability. Depending on configuration, the 4Runner offers rear-wheel drive, part-time four-wheel drive, or full-time four-wheel drive. Off-road-focused versions add serious hardware and electronic systems designed for difficult terrain. Toyota's current TRD Off-Road package, for example, brings multi-terrain select and crawl control, while higher-end adventure trims go even further with specialized suspension, 33-inch all-terrain tires and purpose-built equipment. Now step inside, because this is where the 4Runner has changed dramatically compared with its older generations. The cabin finally feels like a modern SUV without losing the rugged personality. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, the controls are easy to understand, and the seating position gives you that commanding view you expect from a proper adventure vehicle. Depending on trim, you can get heated and ventilated front seats, premium upholstery, and a much more upscale atmosphere. In front of the driver, modern digital displays provide the important information without overwhelming the cabin. And then there's the infotainment system. Depending on trim, The 4Runner can feature a large 14-inch Toyota Audio multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. That means navigation, music, calls, and everyday connectivity are all right where you need them. And Toyota didn't forget safety. Toyota Safety Sense 3 is standard on the current 4Runner lineup, bringing features such as adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assistance, automatic emergency braking, and automatic high beams. Available systems can also add blind spot monitoring and additional camera-based visibility for off-road driving. Then there's the practical side. This is still a 4Runner. It's not just about looking tough on Instagram. It's designed to carry people, gear, and equipment, and current versions can tow up to 6,000 pounds. That makes it a legitimate adventure machine rather than a lifestyle SUV pretending to be one. Now let's talk money. The current 2026 4Runner starts around $42,070 in the US, while high-performance and highly equipped versions can climb into the upper $60,000 range. Toyota has not yet published a complete official 2027 4Runner pricing structure, so exact 2027 pricing will depend on trim and final equipment. And honestly, that price range tells you everything. The 4Runner isn't trying to be the cheapest SUV. It's selling durability, capability, character, and the freedom to go somewhere most vehicles simply shouldn't. So, is the 2027 Toyota 4Runner worth watching? Absolutely. It has the rugged design, turbocharged power, available hybrid muscle, serious four-wheel drive hardware, modern technology, and a cabin that finally matches its legendary reputation. It may not be the fastest SUV in its class, and the four-cylinder engine won't deliver the old-school V6 or V8 soundtrack some enthusiasts still miss. But speed has never been the 4Runner's entire story. The real magic is confidence. You can drive it through the city all week, load it up for a weekend adventure, point it toward a rough trail, and know that the vehicle was engineered for exactly that moment. The 2027 Toyota 4Runner isn't trying to become something completely different. It's doing something much smarter, taking the formula that made the 4Runner famous and giving it modern power, modern technology, and even more attitude. And that, in my opinion, is exactly what a legendary SUV should do. If you enjoyed this look at the 2027 Toyota 4Runner, make sure you're subscribed to Noir Velocity, because the next machine could be even more extreme. Until then, keep your eyes on the road and your foot ready for the trail.